Hi there! There will be the second combination of a deck drills change. So we start again from this position. First movement is taxi with right hip. So for 2 counts, 1, 2 and arm, 1, 2, and then we will do reverse with left hip for 1 count left and 1 count right. So left, right. 1, 2, then 3, 4, then army, 5, 6, reverse body weight, and then circle with chest, 7, 8, body weight. So the first 8 counts. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go with right hip with Maya and flower in arms for 2 counts. Right hip, 2 counts left hip, and arms 1, 2, 3, and 4. We open arms. From this 1, 2, and 3, 4, and we continue. Do Maya with left hip for 4 without any drop. And then 5, 6, 7, 8 for 1 count each hip, and arms, shoulders. 5, 6, and then arms 7, 8 from left to the right, right, left to the front, to the back, and then from left reverse, basic to the right. So from this, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, and 7, 8. And the full combination. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll be waiting for your videos.